Hi everyone, welcome to CAPSA. Today we will learn about Diauxic Growth Curve. Okay. So Diauxy actually means two-phase growth, and this term was actually discovered by Monod in 1942. So in 1942, Monod discovered this phenomenon. What happens in this Diauxic growth curve? Actually, Diauxic growth is a diphasic growth which is represented by two growth curves intervened by a short lag phase produced by an organism utilizing two different substrates, one of which is glucose, and it is mainly seen in E. coli. E. coli, when utilizes two substrate among one is glucose and another one can be any kind of sugar. Okay. Now, when E. coli goes in a medium containing both glucose and lactose, so medium containing glucose and lactose, it will utilize glucose first. Then until the glucose is exhausted. After that, it will use lactose, but obviously after short lag period. And in this short lag period, it actually synthesizes the enzymes needed for lactose. So, during this time, synthesizes the enzyme needed for lactose. Okay. Which kind of enzyme needed for lactose synthesization? That is Beta-Galactosidase. This enzyme need for lactose synthesization. Okay. Now, if this kind of diphasic growth in E. coli is plotted in respect to bacterial density against the time, two growth curves follows one after the other intervened by a short lag phase to produce Diauxic growth curve. Okay. So, we will see how the Diauxic growth curve looks like. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. This is time, and we plot in the y-axis bacterial density. So, after drawing, we can see this curve represented glucose use. This is short lag phase. Okay, and this curve represent lactose use. But this type of response obviously found in the other sugars such as Arabinose, maltose, sorbitol, etc. So this is the diphasic growth curve or Diauxic growth curve, which is very much important for your exam point of view. So this is the end of my lecture. If you like my video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe.